Python Ternary in jinja2 gives TemplateSyntaxError, tag name expected. I have a table and I want to change background color of tr if value of person.story published is true, otherwise do nothing. My code looks like this. I get this error. And the CSS part is here. Why is this happening? What I missed that I don't notice? Any help, smiley face.
You used %%, which wants to get a tag like if, end if, etc. If you just want to execute a piece of Python code, like your ternary expression, you should use double braces like so.
Template language is different than Python, so has different syntax. You cannot use Python's idiomatic syntax in templates.
If you want to support a channel, please consider liking and subscribing.